Srinivasa Ramanujan. Born on 22nd December 1887 in Erode, Tamil Nadu, South India. Srinivasa Ramanujan 1887 to 1920 hailed as an all-time great mathematician for his natural genius like Euler, Gauss, Jacobi. (1900 to 1902). In 1900, he began to work on his own mathematics, summing geometric and arithmetic series, and went on to find his own method to solve the quartic. The following year, not knowing that the quintic could not be solved by radicals, he tried and of course failed to solve the quintic. (1904). By 1904, Ramanujan had begun to undertake deep research. He investigated the series summation of 1 by n and calculated Euler's constant to 15 decimal places. (1908). Continuing his mathematical work, Ramanujan studied continued fractions and divergent series in 1908. But at age 16, his life took a decisive turn after he got a book titled A Synopsis of Elementary Results in Pure and Applied Mathematics, which was simply a compilation of thousands of mathematical results, most set down with little or no indication of proof. (1903 to 1914). During this period, he kept a record of the final results of his original research work in the form of 2 entries in 2 large-size notebooks with mathematical discoveries seeking patrons to support his work. Ramanujan showed his research work to Devan Bahadur Ramachandra Rao, collector of Nellore. V. Ramaswamy Iyer, founder of Indian Mathematical Society. R. Narayana Iyer, treasurer of IMS manager, Madras Port Trust, and to several others to convince them of his abilities as a mathematician. Finally, he met with modest success when the Indian mathematician Ramachandra Rao provided him with first a modest subsidy and later a clerkship at the Madras Port Trust. (1911). Ramanujan had his first paper published, a 17-page work on Bernoulli numbers, that appeared in 1911 in a journal of the Indian Mathematical Society. Still, no one was quite sure if Ramanujan was a real genius or a crank. 1913. With his friends' encouragement, he wrote to mathematicians in Cambridge seeking validation of his work. Twice he wrote with no response. On the third try, he received from Professor G. H. Hardy of Trinity College, Cambridge, whose warm response to the historic letter of Ramanujan, which contained about 100 theorems, resulted in offering him the first research scholarship of the university in May 1913. Scholarship. His scholarship was £250 a year for 5 years with £100 for passage by ship and for initial outfit to go to England in 1914. In March 1914, Ramanujan boarded a steamer to England. Ramanujan's arrival at Cambridge was the beginning of a very successful 5-year collaboration with Hardy. One remarkable result of the Hardy-Ramanujan collaboration was a formula for the number P of n of partitions of a number n. A partition of a positive integer n is just an expression for n as a sum of positive integers regardless of order. Thus, P of 4 equal 5 because 4 can be written as 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1 plus 2, 2 plus 2, 1 plus 3 or 4. (1916) Ramanujan was awarded in 1916 the BA degree by research of the Cambridge University. (1917) The climate and culture took a toll on his health. Ramanujan had always lived in a tropical climate and had his mother, later his wife, to cook for him. Now he faced the English winter and he had to do all his own cooking to adhere to scarce strict dietary rules. In 1917, he was hospitalized and his doctors were fearing for his life. (1918) Ramanujan was elected as a Fellow of the Royal Society of London in February 1918 as a research student in mathematics, particularly for his investigations in elliptic functions and the theory of numbers. And he was elected to a Trinity College Fellowship in October 1918. By late 1918, his health had improved. (1919 to 1920) Ramanujan returned to India in 1919, but his health failed again and he died in 1920. Ramanujan has left behind 4,000 original theorems despite his lack of formal education, and a short lifespan. After his death, the collected papers of Ramanujan was edited by Professor G. H. Hardy, P. V. Seshu Iyer, and D. M. Wilson, and first published by Cambridge University Press in 1927, later by Celsia 1962, and by Narosa 1987. After his death, his lost notebook was found in the estate of Professor G. N. Watson in the spring of 1976 by Professor George Andrews of Pennsylvania State University, and its facsimile edition was brought out to Narosa Publishing House in 1987 on the occasion of Ramanujan's birth centenary. Died on 26 April in Kumbakonam, Tamil Nadu, South India. Thank you.